Well, hello and welcome. Hello, I'm Laura. I'm a Canva creator and Canva creator ambassador for the UK, and I love sharing my Canva knowledge. So today in this video, we're going to be looking at how to create a really quirky, fun, blurry background to our image, so your focal point is really sharp and stands out nice and clear. So let's go over to my screen and we will have a look. Okay, so here we are. This is my Canva account. You're getting a sneak peek into my Canva account today. First of all, what do we need? We need a blank template and we need an image that we're going to use. So I'm going to go for, let's just go for a general Facebook size post. I'm going to create a blank one in our Canva account. And I want a nice photo. So you can either upload one of your own photos, you can upload media here on the left, or you can go to photos and you can choose one of the possibly millions, hundreds of thousands of images available in Canva. I'm just off the top of my head going to go for vintage car. Sometimes they have some really cool backgrounds. That's quite a nice car. The background's okay. So let's go for blurring that background. Right. So first of all, we have our image. This is the image we're going to be using. So what we need to do is stretch the image out so it fits our template. Now I'm going to change the size of my actual template because the car is too stretched. If I try and stretch the image to the full width of this template, you're losing the edges of the actual car, and I don't like that. So I'm going to bring it back in again, and I'm going to go to resize, and I want to keep my height, but I want the width to be wider. Let's see if we can get a nice car image now. That's a bit better. I've got a little bit more room either side of my car. What do we need to do? So first of all, we need to edit this image. This is the background image, and I want this to have a blur. So I've gone over to edit image, and in the adjust settings, I've clicked see all, and we have this blur option. You can either use the little bar to blur the image, or you can type in a number here, for example, type in 10. I want this to be more. Let's see, 30 doesn't look too bad. I think we're going to go with 30 and see what this looks like. So now I need to add another image on top because we want just the car. So I'm selecting the same image again. I'm not going to touch it just yet. I'm going to go to edit image, and I'm going to use the background remover tool. This is a pro feature. If you're on the free account, you can hop over to remove.bg. It's a website and it will remove background images for you for free. But the background remover tool in Canva is pretty awesome, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to hit apply. It has taken out the background of my image. The windscreen's not great. I could probably do something with that. Okay, and then what you need to do is just align the car on top with the image underneath. So you get, oh no, we've lost the background image. There we go, it's back. So you get this really stand out image on the front, but you've still got the background, but it's slightly blurry. There was a lovely classic car image I used once before, and it looked absolutely awesome. So something like this. Oh, I love this. This is a fantastic photo. There's some amazing photos in Canva. There really are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. So I've got two identical, the same size ones. Going to go to the background one and just edit image and just change this to maybe 15 so you can still see some of the detail of the background. The one on top, I'm going to click edit image and remove background. So the one underneath is your background image, so it's nice and blurry. The one on top, you are removing that background and just keeping the focal point of your image. Hit apply and align it on top. Yeah, see, now I really like that. That works really well with the contrast of the colored car and the black and white background. It just looks awesome. So there you go. That is it for this little mini tutorial. I really hope you have enjoyed this. It's just something fun you can do. This will work with any image where you can remove the background. So I'd love to see you have a go with one of these. And that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's fun, and I really hope that you have a go at it. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I've got lots and lots of other fun tutorials and features and tips all on Canva planned over this next year.